This star creates a sound so deep, it would shake your entire body apart. What's something people don't know about stars? One of them literally hums, in tones millions of times deeper than we can hear. Mind-blowing, right? Meet a star so dense, its gravity slams plasma into massive pressure waves, like sound on steroids. Those waves are millions of times lower than human hearing. Astronomers convert them into signals, learn the star's age, learn the star's density, learn the star's elements. We can't hear this naturally, but when translated, the sound is unreal. The universe doesn't just shine, it rumbles. If you liked that, like, share, subscribe, and follow for more.